Let's see how to use a breadboard. First of all, we should prevent short circuits. So, if our energy source is plugged in, there are two terminals should not touch each other. The best practice is to leave the energy source unplugged until needed. To use the energy source, we will connect crocodile clips to banana plugs. In DC circuits, the positive pole is usually marked red and the negative pole is usually marked black. If the Arduino board were connected to power, we could provide electricity to the breadboard by connecting a 5-volt Arduino terminal to the positive power rail in the breadboard. Then we will connect the ground Arduino terminal to the negative power rail in the breadboard. Now all the holes in the negative power rail will be connected to the ground, while all the holes in the positive power rail will be connected to 5 volts. However, since the Arduino board is not connected to power, we will power the breadboard directly. We will connect the power rails to the energy source using some pin headers. Now we are going to see how to connect a LED. First, we can take 5 volts from the power rail by connecting a 220 ohm resistor to it. The LED longer terminal should be in the same terminal strip as one of the resistor terminals. Now we can use a jumper wire to connect the LED short terminal to the negative power rail. The component terminals should be connected to the breadboard softly until they reach the breadboard bottom. If we connect the crocodile clips to the pin headers, the current could flow from the positive pole through the resistor, then through the LED to the negative power rail. Finally, we can plug the power source to turn on the LED. Please, when you connect a wire jumper, do not bend it more than necessary. Keep it as flat as possible. A crocodile clip can be handy to remove small jumpers.